Top 5 businesses to start in Zambia with K5000 in 2026. 1. Mobile money and Mini-Fintech booth. Mobile money remains the heartbeat of Zambian commerce. With the expansion of Mountain, Airtel, and Zamtel services, becoming a human ATM is highly profitable. The plan: use K3500 as your float trading capital, and K1500 for a small booth or branded umbrella and a basic smartphone. Revenue: you earn through commissions on deposits, withdrawals, and utility bill payments. Zesco, DSTV. 2026 tip: register as an agent for multiple networks to ensure you never turn away a customer. 2. Poultry farming, broiler, cycles. Agriculture is the backbone of the Zambian economy. With a bumper maize harvest in 2025-2026, feed prices are becoming more manageable. The plan: start with a batch of 50 broiler chicks. K5000 will cover the cost of chicks, high-quality feed for 6 weeks, and basic vaccines. Revenue: a full-grown broiler sells for K120-K150. In 6 weeks, you can turn your K5000 into roughly K7500. 2026 tip: focus on village chickens, local breeds, as they have a higher profit margin and lower feed costs. 3. Salaula, premium secondhand boutique. The demand for affordable, high-quality fashion is timeless. Selling secondhand clothes, Salaula allows for high margins if you pick the right bales. The plan: buy a grade A bale of children's clothes or ladies' office wear from wholesalers in Lusaka or Nakand. Revenue: items bought for an average of K20 within the bale can be sold for K60 to K100. 2026 tip: don't just sit at the market. Use WhatsApp status and Facebook Marketplace to sell to people in offices and residential areas. 4. Solar gadgets and charging station. While the energy grid is improving, many peri-urban and rural areas still face power gaps. Selling solar-powered lights and offering phone charging is a problem-solver business. The plan: use your K5000 to buy wholesale solar lanterns, power banks, and a small 100-watt solar panel system for charging phones. Revenue: charge K5K10 per phone and sell gadgets at a 30% markup. 2026 tip: look for solar-powered fans or radios, which are trending items in 2026. 5. Cleaning and fumigation services. As more Zambians move into new housing developments, the need for move-in cleaning and pest control has spiked. The plan: invest in a heavy-duty vacuum cleaner, mops, industrial detergents, and a manual spray pump for fumigation. Revenue: a single house cleaning job can pay between K500 and K1500 depending on the size. 2026 tip: partner with real estate agents to be their go-to cleaner for new tenants. Keys to success: register your business. Visit Pakra to register your business name. It's affordable and makes you look professional. Keep records. Use simple apps like Chero or even a physical ledger to track every ngui. Reinvest. Don't spend your first profits. Put them back into the business to grow your stock or float. Hashtag Chero TV, hashtag Zambia Business, hashtag Entrepreneurship Zambia, K5000 Challenge, hashtag Lusaka Entrepreneurs, hashtag Zambian Youth, hashtag Small Business Zambia, hashtag Invest in Zambia, hashtag Financial Freedom.